Hi everyone, I'm Epic Phill, and if you don't know me, I love doing tour videos in Tenerife and Orlando, Florida. Now I do have a Tenerife series that's coming out right now, but my dear friend and podcast partner from Halloween Horror Event, Simon, is actually in Orlando, Florida right now, and he is he stayed at the Helios Grand Resort for Universal Studios, Epic Universe. I believe his room is a theme park view room. Now, I don't think he had time to do the whole resort, what's fair enough, but he got me a room tour, what is absolutely brilliant. So in here, you're going to see Simon, and he's going to show you around the room. So I hope you enjoy it. Comment and thank Simon down below. Let's get into it. Simon, cheers, mate.
Smiles and endless wow. He's got a passport stamped with pride. Epic Phil's on another wild ride.
Alright, well there you go guys, I've just come into room 632, that's me, I'm Universal Phill. Epic Phill, hey, subscribe, hello. So yeah, you walk in to the door, bit of a hallway. I've got backwards. There is a mirror there, it's a bit frosted. But on the right hand side, you're coming into a new vanity area, which has just one sink, a toilet, and a walk-in shower. If you're wondering about the doors, they are seal doors, so they're completely seal proof, but to get them open, click the button, little handle pops out, and you can close the door. And as you close the door, that pops back in. So yeah, so it's a bit of a safety feature to stop you catching your fingers on it. You get immunities, you've got cotton buds, glasses, water. So on the other side of the toilet and the bathroom, you have a little wardrobe, some spare pillows, quilts, ironing board, iron, and your safe is in there, big enough for a laptop. So I didn't say, which I didn't say, this is a king size park view room. So you walk in, you've got a huge super king bed, and I mean that is, I'm 5'9", 5'10", and I can't touch either end, it's huge. There is an iPad there with all the information you might need for the hotel and rooms. This doesn't come with a thing, that's mine. You do have a lock-off room. So if you do have two adjoining rooms, you can open up. Coffee machine is a Keurig, which we've just used. Yeah, you get two coffees, a decaf and a green tea. Nice big, I would say 50-inch TV. And obviously that's the Helios where we are staying. You get plenty of storage, mini fridge, which we've emptied because we are about to check out. You do get water, but please don't buy it or use it because it's $8 plus tax. The decor's look quite nice, as you can probably see. It's got like a nice big headboard. Everything's shaped like moons, so you got like lighting that is all on the moon. Table, little seat, got a little desk, little artwork, and then this is what you pay for. You have curtains. So there you go. This is the park view. This is from room 632. So you can see all of Epic Universe. You're just about seeing the Ministry just around this corner. You've got Stardust Racers, Isle of Berk, the Kronos down there, the Carousel, Mario, or Super Nintendo World, and just about see Dark Universe and the Curse of the Werewolf. So yeah, and if you're wondering how far away from Stella Nova and Terra Luna, then just over there, and right in the distance you can see my third favourite roller coaster, which is Mako. So there you go guys, this is just a quick room tour of a park view room at the Helios Grand Hotel on Epic Universe. And if you have watched this and Phill doesn't add it in, please like, subscribe and comment to Epic Phill. Epic Phill or Epic Phill Travels on all social media platforms, and also like and comment on this video whether you would like to stay here. So with that being said guys, we'll just finish you off on the Chronos at Epic Universe.
Well, yet again, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. I'm still in the UK. Simon and Julie, thank you again. You did not have to do that room tour for me at Universal's Helios Grand Resort. Wow, amazing, absolutely beautiful. What do you think of that resort room? What do you think of, wow, the views? Comment down below. And don't forget, I've got loads of Universal Studios, Orlando and other places vlogs out there coming this September 2025. So if you like this, all you got to do is subscribe free to Epic Phill Travels, like and comment down below. Oh, don't forget to press that bell notification so when these vlogs actually drop, you're the first to know. See you on the next one.